Hi, this is my entry for the Zen2580's giveaway for Urban Decay and huge train case full of cosmetics and BBW EOS, open till November 17th. Hi to the Zen2580. I'm so excited to show you my makeup. I did a full face. I did all the colors you wanted from the case on my eyelids. Let me show them to you, and then I have a little secret to tell you. Okay, so I started off with hot pink in the inner corners here. Right here, hot pink. And then I did a blue next to it. Then I did up here a purple. And then I did a white. And the light pink is still there. It's not missing. My light pink is right here. Wait a minute. It's a one light pink taking up the two right here. Light pink. And this is how it is on the other side. Light pink. Blue, hot pink, white, and purple. So, I'm sorry my camera is not the best. I do have foundation, pink lipstick on, blush, bronzer, illuminating highlighters. And my secret I want to tell you right now is I have all the colors on my eyes, but I was planning to do the squares on my eyes of each color because I thought that was what was on the train case. I forgot that what was on the train case is actually circles. So, instead of circles, I have squares. So if I would have remembered or figured out that they were circles, I would have done circles on my eyelid. So that was kind of upsetting when I realized that just now. So let me start by showing you what I put on my face. Okay, so I put I cleansed my face, and then I put Dr. Jart BB cream on. Then I put Physicians Formula green all over my boo-boos, my acne scars and discoloration under the eyes. I blended that with my finger, and then I put this primer on by Smashbox to counteract the redness. After I put that on, I put this Urban Decay Primer Potion all over my eyelids and underneath my eyes because I didn't know if I was going to take this and put it under my eyes like boxes and just have like the eyeshadows, little boxes under here of the colors. So I just decided to do the top lid. My all-time favorite foundation of all time, Arbonne. It's Perfecting Liquid Foundation with SPF 15. Arbonne is probably one of the only cosmetic lines out there, one of the few cosmetic lines to say that they're natural and really mean they are all natural, all organic. And then I put bronzer by Smashbox on. I'm so sorry to the Zen2580 and everybody that my video quality is not better. I wish I had a nicer camera. Then after, actually with the bronzer I put on, I actually do my eyes first, and mascara and eyeliner and everything before I do anything else. I didn't have very many hot pinks, so I mixed e.l.f.'s Pink Passion blush. I mixed that with Wet n Wild's purplish hot pinkish color here. So I mixed these two together to get the hot pink that you see here. And I also put this hot pink Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 16C. I actually took this lip pencil first before the eyeshadows. I took this first before the eyeshadows and actually made a square of where I was going to do the first box, and put this down as a base for a color, for a hot pink color, because I really don't have that hot pink color in eyeshadow. And then after this, I put these two colors down. Whoops, sorry. This one and this one. And then I went over to blue, and what I used for my blue is by Josie Maran, or whatever. I even work at Sephora and I don't even know her name. And it's an eye palette called I Love You, and the blue that I used was this blue down here. After the blue, I went up into the purple, and the purple I used was by a palette by Sephora, in a palette by Sephora, and this purple is right here that I used. And then after the purple, I went to the white, which is right here, up in here. And the white, I used this e.l.f. white, and it was very matte. So I didn't really get a lot of, I put a lot on, but it's still, I couldn't see the white. So I took, this is actually a new brand that Sephora sells. Charlotte Ronson is the latest new Sephora makeup brand that we are carrying. I actually took this, and this is Illuminator blush and bronzer, and I took this Illuminator one right here and started putting it over the e.l.f. Well, that was still, I don't know, I just wasn't happy with, the illumination. It's okay. And so I took this kind of aqua color by Maybelline Studio. What am I saying? Aqua? Did I say aqua? No, ivory. I'm going crazy, guys. I'm crazy, I'm telling you. No, what I did was I took the ivory color right there. It's kind of off-white. White off-white. I don't know. And this is a palette called 40 Green with Envy. I took that and I put it over the white. And it actually gave it a lot of shimmer and, really pumped it up with the shimmer so you can actually see it more because of that. after that, all that, I went over and did the pink. And I did the pink by e.l.f. right here. And I had to put so much pink, it was hard to even see it. So I added this pink blush to it, just to get the light pink, that I have on right now, which is right here. Okay, so after I'm done with my eyes, I usually do my foundation, skincare, then primer, foundation. No, I don't do it that way, I'm sorry. Anyway, the point is, I'm going to tell you what products I use. We won't get into all that right now. I've already told you a little bit of most of what I've used. Now I'm going to show you eye pencil. I used an eye pencil by Anastasia, and it's brunette. Sorry, it's upside down. That's in brunette. I did my eyebrows, and then I picked like one color to accentuate under my eyes, and since the white was so pale that you couldn't see a lot of white on my eyelid, I decided to do a white underneath my eye right here as an eyeliner. So I actually used this first by Charlotte Russo again, by Charlotte Ronson. I took this again and put it under or on my eyelid down here, and then I took it up in my corners because it's actually a highlighter and illuminator. So, and then I brought it up to connect with this up here, and then I did both eyes, and then I put some highlighter on. And one of the things I do highlight with, which a lot of people here on YouTube do, is by Stila, and it's called Kitten. And a lot of people use this as a highlighter. My camera sucks, guys, I'm sorry. So I put some, I highlight it down here, right here above on my bone. I highlight it right here. I highlight it on my nose, a little bit here. And then after I highlighted it, I also did my eyelashes. I curl my eyelashes with this curling eyelash curler. And my mascara I have is called Lash Fusion XL by Fusion Beauty. And just so you know, the Sephora by where I live, this brand we are not going to carry anymore. So right now, at least at my Sephora, this Fusion Beauty is 75% off. So something that is like $40 you can get for $9. It's unbelievable. It's 75% off. You guys have to go check it out. It's unbelievable. Also, the skincare line called Rexylin, that's also 75% off. And oh, and then my skin finish, to set my foundation and everything, I use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I just discovered this recently, about a month ago, and now I love this stuff. I love it. This one is in light medium.